19 through 22 are literal equations. Sorry. So we have to solve, we have to pick a letter. There's a bunch of letters, and we have to solve for one of the letters. So this one tells me to solve for C, so I'm solving for this one. Now, how do I get rid of addition? I subtract. So I know I have to move the A, so minus A, and I get P minus A equals B plus C. And now how would I get rid of the B? Minus B, and I get P minus A minus B equals C. Now, that can't be simplified. P, A, B are not like terms. So there is my answer. Okay, number 20 says solve the following for G. So I'm trying to get G alone. So I would first get rid of the half. The opposite of a half is multiplying by 2. Because if you flip it upside down, 2 over 1 is 2. So multiply this side by 2, this side by 2, and I get 2s equals, well, this 2 cancels the 1/2, and I get gt squared. Well, I want you to realize this is g times t squared. Multiplication, what's the opposite of multiplication, is division. So divide by t squared, and there's my answer. I get g equals 2s over t squared. Does not simplify, so that's my answer. Okay, 21, I get solve for x. It says 4b plus ax equals 3b. So I'm going to move the b to get it with its like term on the other side. So minus 4b, and I get ax equals, well, 3 minus 4 is negative b, and then, or negative 1b, either way. And then I'm solving for x, so I need to get rid of the a. So divide by a, and I get x equals negative b over a. Okay, and then lastly it says solve for L. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the 2w, so minus 2w minus 2w, and I get p minus 2w equals 2L. And now I divide by 2. Now, I'm going to show you two things. It could be left just like this. I've seen it both ways. So L equals p minus 2w over 2. Or you technically, that's not fully simplified. So you would have to separate your denominator because it can simplify with one of the terms. This is the same as this, and this cancels. So it could be L equals p over 2 minus w. Either way.